Item number 1. Okay, this is science. During a classroom demonstration, the teacher placed a glass of cold water on the table. After several minutes, droplets of water appeared on the outside of the glass. What scientific process explains this observation? Will this be letter A, evaporation, letter B, condensation, letter C, freezing, or letter D, melting? And of course, sa tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter B. That is right. Now, this is condensation. So ito po yung nangyayari, di ba? You remember condensation is from gas to liquid, di ba? From gas to liquid. Ito din po yung proseso kung paano na-form yung ating ulan, no? So from gas to liquid po siya. And so what happens is that yung gaseous natin, gaseous water natin, no? Warm, moist air. Ayan po. Kapag ka nag-touch siya doon sa surface ng ating baso na malamig, of course, eventually, it is going to turn into liquid water. Okay? Kaya po tayo nagkakaroon ng ating mga droplets dyan. That is through condensation. The same mechanism po sa ating pawis, no? The same mechanism din po sa ating hamog. Okay? So, dewdrops natin in the morning, no? So, kapag meron po kayo nakitang ganitong mga tanungan sa left, ang ating po magiging choice, of course, would be letter B.